Remember when we thought the future would be all flying cars and silver suits? Well, the future is here, but it looks different. It looks like a trapezoid on wheels, forged from pure stainless steel. And it's dividing everyone. Is it a futuristic masterpiece or a giant doorstop? This is the Tesla Cybertruck, and it's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. Forget everything you know about pickups. Tesla didn't just redesign a truck. They threw away the rulebook and started from scratch. The exterior, according to Tesla, is an exoskeleton of ultra-hard, cold-rolled stainless steel. It's the same material used in their Starship rocket. That's not a flex, that's literally rocket science in a truck. This isn't just a tough vehicle, it's a vault on wheels. It's so tough, they had to create new machines just to build it. They even have a demo of it, withstanding a sledgehammer. A sledgehammer. But here's the wild part. It drives like a sports car. Yeah, a truck that can hit 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. That's faster than most supercars. The steer-by-wire technology and rear steering give it a turning radius of a sedan, which is insane for a vehicle this size. Imagine maneuvering a pickup in a crowded city and it feeling like a Model 3. That's the real magic trick. But what about the bed? It's a 6-foot vault with a lockable tonneau cover, and it has a power outlet to run your entire campsite. This thing is part truck, part supercar, part mobile power station. So what's the verdict? Is it the ultimate utility vehicle or just a tech novelty? The design might not be for everyone, but the performance and features are undeniable. It's pushing the boundaries of what a vehicle can be. So, what do you think? Are you ready for the future, or are you sticking with tradition? Drop a comment below and let's get into it. And if you're curious about how they actually made this thing, check out the links in the description for the full breakdown from Tesla and more. Source: Tesla.com.